everyone. So today I am so excited because I am bringing something back to my channel that I haven't done in about 2 years. I would say 2 to 3 years, maybe longer. And it is a beauty subscription box. Now I used to do BoxyCharm unboxings for a few years on my channel, and honestly it kind of just came to be too much stuff, and I was taking in a lot more stuff than I would ever be able to use up. So I ended up canceling my BoxyCharm subscription, and I did that right about around when they were doing like their price increase, I think from whenever Ipsy took over. And I just decided, you know what, I started paying for these boxes. They were $20 a piece, and then they had raised them up to like $30 for the base one. So I was just like, you know, I'm kind of done for a little bit. And so I really kind of was working on using up a lot of the products that I had been accumulating every month through BoxyCharms. So after I have canceled those, I have not had any beauty box subscriptions for a while now, and one kind of caught my eye and I had been really curious about it, and honestly it was a pretty good deal. So I decided I wanted to kind of dip my toe back into the beauty subscription box services and just kind of see how this one turns out. And I might just do it for like a quarter and then, you know, cancel, but we'll just see how it goes. But today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box. I was really intrigued on this one. I think I was scrolling through Instagram and saw an ad for it. And let me tell you, the really like hook, line, and sinker for me was that this box for February, they were including a full-size YSL lipstick, and you got to choose the color. Need I say any more? So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this together and see what we got in the Allure February box. So if you guys are interested in also trying out the Allure Beauty Box for yourself, they do have a referral program that I am an affiliate of. I will have my link below if you would like to purchase the Allure Beauty Box, and you use my link, you will get $10 off, and I will get $10 off as well. So it's a win-win situation if you're wanting to try this out. If not, no worries, no pressure, but I do earn a small commission from any purchases through my link. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has the tissue paper in here kind of covering up everything, so it's a nice little surprise. We have a little pamphlet here that tells me all about the products that are in our box. There are a few more little miscellaneous kind of insert things in here as well, and this is everything that I got in my box. Let's go through all the items and I will let you know the prices of these and what I think about them so far. Okay, so first things first, we just have to go with the YSL lipstick because honestly that's what really like sealed the deal for me, and I only have one other YSL lip product ever, pretty much any YSL product, and I really loved that lipstick, but man, these are definitely expensive. So this is the Rouge Volupte Shine Oil in a Stick lip product. It's like a lip balm lipstick kind of thing. There were 4 different colors that you could choose from, and you did get to choose your color. I was kind of between 2 colors. I couldn't quite decide which one I wanted to go with because the other YSL lip product that I had, I think it's just one of like their regular lipsticks, but I decided to go with the same color that that one was in. So the 4 color options you could choose from was Nude Lingerie, Nude Lavalier, Burnt Zellage, I don't know if I said that right, and Rosewood Beet. So I was kind of between Nude Lavalier and Nude Lingerie. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It is just like the beautiful YSL packaging, which I say this is probably one of like the most stunning lipsticks packaging wise I have ever seen, and it still takes my breath away. I bought my first YSL lipstick, it'll be 12 years ago this summer, because I bought it in Rome at the airport, like last minute splurge, and that was like kind of my one little souvenir that I really wanted. All right, so this is what the lipstick looks like in the color Nude Lingerie. So I'm gonna try this on right now. I have not used this before. I kind of want to do like a quick little swatch to see like how pigmented it is. I'm imagining it's gonna be more of like a sheer wash of color type of product, but let's do a quick swatch. Oh yeah, definitely more on the sheer side. Now the one I had was like the actual lipstick version, but this looks really pretty and a super easy like throw on kind of color. You don't have to worry about being like super precise with this one, so let's go ahead and apply it. It does have that like signature YSL lip scent. I don't know how to quite describe it. To me it almost smells like a light cucumbery watermelon kind of scent, but I think the color is just so pretty. It is a very like glossy, sheer, balmy type of texture on the lips, but I love how it looks. I just had a little bit of a lip liner on my lips to begin with, but I think it's so pretty, and honestly, this is definitely a lipstick that's not going to last like a long time, but it's so easy to reapply that this is like a really good lipstick, I think, to keep in your purse that you could reapply throughout the day. Retails for $43, you guys. It's even more expensive than when I purchased these, like I said, like 12 years ago. For some reason, I feel like $36 was what was standing out in my brain, beginning, as far as my memory goes, maybe it was 38. But honestly, this product alone is more than the full value of my box for what I paid for it. So this alone really just makes up for the whole thing. I'm so glad to have another YSL product in my life because I just feel like they are so beautiful, so bougie, and expensive for a reason. So when I saw that ad, I could just like not pass it up, to be honest, because I knew how amazing of a deal this was. All right, so the next product I got, this is from Jazmine Beauty. It's called the Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. So this, it says that the full size of it is 10 grams and it retails for $20, but it says that we have a 5-gram one here. So if we do the math on that, that makes this one actually worth about $10 worth of product. So this is just like a clear brow wax. I've actually never used a brow wax before. Ooh, it's actually very sticky. It is clear, so it can work for any brows. And I am not actually wearing anything in my brows today because I wanted to try this out. So if you're really into like the like soap brows or like the fluffy laminated brows, I think that this would be a good product for you. I've actually never tried anything like this before, so I am gonna give it a go today. All right, so let's try this out. It says to just use it with a spoolie brush. All right, so here are my natural brows. They are a little bit on the thin side. I did overpluck when I was younger. I feel like they could be worse, but like I said, I don't have anything in my brows right now, so I'm just going to, oh wow. I'm just gonna kind of brush my brows up. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do not really like the look of just like straight up brushed brows. But I am gonna kind of give this just a little bit of a try just to see, and if I don't like it, you know, I kind of smooth them back down or something. I'm just gonna do it just to see what it looks like. So here is my brow hair is kind of all brushed up. Now I wonder if this is something that you can like do after you apply, like if you fill in your brows. I wonder how that would work. Because obviously right now I don't have anything in my brows, so it's like there's no color really. And then I'm not gonna like make my eyebrows like filled out more, because I do like to fill in my brows a bit more. Oh my god, this is, wow, I can like really push my brows hairs up with this. Okay, but this is definitely like holding my brows in place. Like if I wanted to just brush them straight up, this is definitely gonna get the job done. Okay, so this is definitely interesting. I will definitely keep trying it out and seeing if it works for me. It definitely does what it says it does. And I think if you have more filled out brows to begin with, this could be a really awesome product just for getting your brow hairs to lay exactly the way you want them to. I think since I have a little bit more of like thinner, sparser kind of brows, it just need a little bit of playing with, but I'm intrigued to try this more, so I don't mind it at all. So just for funsies, let's just see what happens if I try to do a color product on top of it. People are probably screaming at me right now, don't do that, that's not how you do it, you should do it this way. We're trying it out, we're just having fun here. Okay, I definitely think it's something I should do as a last step, should be the brow wax. But I don't know, it's kind of working. All right, well, it's definitely interesting. I did fill them in just a little bit. Let me know, what do you think? Does this look better than my normal brows? Does it look worse? Is it improvement? Okay, moving on to the next product I have here. This couldn't have been better timed. One thing that I had so many products of was moisturizers from when I was subscribed with BoxyCharm. And moisturizers for me, they last me at the very least a month or two. And there was just a point in time I was getting like a moisturizer like every single BoxyCharm box, and it has just taken me years to use them up, and I'm finally down to like the last couple ones that I had, and I just used up one of them the other day, so this couldn't have come at a better time. So this is a moisturizer. It is from the brand Ahava. I have never heard of this brand before. It looks pretty, you know, plain packaging wise, but sometimes those are the best kind. So this one says it is the Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin, and I have a dry skin, so I'm very, very glad that this is suited for my skin type. I just honestly pretty much got lucky because I don't think they had you fill out any type of like profile as far as I can remember. I really don't think there was. I think it was just pick the color of lipstick you wanted and you were signed up. The retail price of this, holy moly, this is a full size. The retail price of this is $78, you guys. Oh my gosh. $78. So I'm very excited to try this out very soon, and I am not super picky when it comes to moisturizers, so I'm sure I probably will like this. So I think this will be a very good option for me, and hey, I like trying out a bougie moisturizer, but I know I would have never picked this out for myself with the price alone, but I'm so excited that I get to try it out. Next up is another skincare product, and this is from the brand Formulae. It's called Formulae Prescott, I think is the brand name, and it's called the Tri-Balm Cleanser Stick full size, so another full size product. This one retails for $40. So again, that's a pretty up there in price. So it says that this stick works a bit of magic, cleansing without water to refresh skin on the go. That's kind of interesting. How does it do without water? Run the stick over dry skin, then rinse or wipe away. The formula comes off easily while those oils leave you feeling soft and smooth. Okay, so there is water involved, but apparently you don't need to wet your skin to use this. You just use it dry and it does magic. I will definitely have to try this out in a future time to let you know what I think about it, but I'm kind of intrigued and I will try anything once. All right, next up we have another skincare product. Seems like it's a little heavy on skincare, but that's okay. I mean, it's not a specific makeup beauty box, so that is totally okay. And so the next product that we got, this is actually from Lush. Now, I have never used anything from Lush other than one bath bomb one time that was gifted to me, and I really enjoyed it, but Lush is a little bit expensive for me. So this is fun to try out. This is actually it's not a full size, but it looks like it is half the size of the full size. So this is called the Lush Happy Skin. And it says that this is an enzymatic and physical exfoliators team up to make skin radiant. Pineapple bromelain enzymes and acids unclog pores and brighten, while the slightly sandy texture of Tagua nut powder sloughs away dead skin cells and grime. My skin could use a bit of exfoliating, so this will be really interesting to try, and I might actually do this like in a Mask Monday to see how it works for me. In place of your usual facial cleanser, massage this on once or twice a week to exfoliate while you cleanse. Full size is 100 grams and it retails for $26, so this one is 50 grams, which would make that $13 worth of product here. Lush does have a recycling program, so it says here if you bring this back to the store, you can get $1 off a purchase, or if you bring in 5 of these, you could get a free fresh face mask. So I don't have a Lush close to me, but that's worth hanging on to in case I ever do kind of get into Lush. So let's open this up real quick. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a little peachy, like it said, kind of a grainy texture. It almost has like a little bit of like an oatmeal milk and honey kind of scent, but like a little more subdued than that, but it smells really good. I'm excited to try this out though, so definitely keep your eyes open for a Mask Monday coming soon within the next few weeks. This will probably be making an appearance soon. All right, and the last product we have, this one I was actually super excited about. This is a fragrance from the brand Commodity. Now, I've never tried anything from Commodity before. I wasn't familiar with this brand at all, but this one is called Milk Plus Bold, I guess is the name. So the packaging is really cute. Let me open it up and show you like the actual perfume size. And I think this is a pretty good size. I mean, this is like a deluxe type size perfume. It's like smaller than a travel size, but like way bigger than like a little sample size. So, okay, so for reference, holy moly, the full size for 100 milliliters of this is $145. So this one is 5 milliliters. So if we do our little mathing on that one, that brings this to $7.25 worth of product here. So it says that this perfume's blend of marshmallow, tonka bean, and milk is comforting like a vanilla steamer, but still manages to feel cool, nuanced, and grown up. Okay, again, I'm very surprised because these are like all the scent notes that I like. Marshmallow, tonka bean, vanilla, milky kind of like scent, sweet, and I'm really impressed. So it says the Commodity lets you choose your scent in 1 of 3 strengths. For the most concentrated, bold can be applied in the morning and still enjoyed by night. Okay, so that kind of makes sense. I think I figured it out. The brand's named Commodity. I think the scent is milk and the strength is bold. I think that's how it works. Let's just give this a go. Ooh, they are right when they say strong. This is like 100% up my alley as far as fragrances go. I don't know if I just got super lucky because I got the right moisturizer for my skin type and I got a scent that I am really, really digging with, and they didn't even like do a profile or anything, or other than like me choosing the lip color, which was amazing because honestly, that alone was such a really nice thing. That's kind of crazy. I am so happy with this box. I think that this was a killer first box. So taking into account that not all the products are full size, I did, like I said, calculate how much the actual product that I got was worth, brings us to a total of $191.25 for this box. And so I purchased the quarterly set for the Allure box. So I'm gonna get 2 more boxes after this. So the total price for this, so it was $69. I got a $43 discount. Then plus my tax brings me to a grand total of $75.56 that I paid for 3 boxes. If we break that down to 3 boxes, that brings it to $25.19 per box. So looking at this box here and everything I got in it, do I think that this was worth $25.19 worth of stuff? Absolutely. I think this was a really awesome first box, and honestly, I'm kind of like nervous because what if the other ones are duds? I mean, I don't think they're gonna be that bad because that's kind of the hit or miss that you take with a subscription box. You don't really know what you're gonna get at times. I'm very hopeful and I'm very excited to get my next March and April box, and I'm just so excited to see what the Allure Beauty Box has in store for me in the future. As far as calculating their value to me is, you know, if I were to see this sitting at a store for this box for like $25, let's just say 25 even, would I purchase this box? And I absolutely would. So if you guys are interested in also trying out the Allure Beauty Box for yourself, they do have a referral program that I am an affiliate of. I will have my link below if you would like to purchase the Allure Beauty Box and you use my link, you will get $10 off and I will get $10 off as well. So it's a win-win situation if you're wanting to try this out. If not, no worries, no pressure, but I do earn a small commission from any purchases through my link. Okay guys, so I'm actually really impressed and really hopeful with my very first Allure Beauty Box. Like I said, there's a million beauty box subscriptions that you can try out, and I was with BoxyCharm for a long time, but this one is just really fun, and like I said, I'm so excited to see what else is coming in the next few months boxes. So I will definitely be making videos on these when I get them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.